Likes my fridge?
It is a nice fridge.
It is, isn't it?
It's not even dirty or broken at all.
No. We spent hours cleaning it before we came out.
That's damn nice. Damn nice.
It's for sale.
Is it?
Yeah.
How much you asking?
350. No, it was about 400 brand new.
Huh?
And it's still fairly new.
Well, that's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad at all.
It's more of that boom in a bottle stuff, huh?
Yeah, well, I mean, it's got to be refrigerated to keep.
Oh, it goes bad.
Yeah, it goes bad. It's got an expiration date.
I see.
I don't want it to go bad, so we're gonna mix her up properly.
Oh, there it went.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Good. Oh shit! I only heard one explosion. You think I could still get $350 for it?